Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see total views on TikTok account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application, and after that we're going to go to our profile, click on the profile and click on these three lines on the top right, and then we are going to go to the business suite. If this option hasn't appeared on your TikTok, you need to switch from personal account to business account. You can go to the setting and privacy and then go to the account setting. Okay, and here you will be able to switch from personal account to business account. And here I have changed my account to business account. So I'm gonna go back and I'm going to choose business suite. Okay, and then go to the analytics to see total views we got on TikTok. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and you will be able to see the total views on your TikTok account right here, but I haven't uploaded any videos yet, so there is no data right here. Alright guys, and that's all the way to see total views on TikTok account. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.